Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 27th, 2025, we're taking a close look at Amazon, ticker symbol Amazon. We're going to break down the latest news impacting Amazon and then analyze the charts to see how these events are reflected in the stock's price action. Recent news suggests Amazon may be shifting its AI investments, potentially reducing reliance on Nvidia and increasing its stake in AMD. This could signal a massive warning to Nvidia investors, as noted by the Motley Fool, as Amazon is a large Nvidia customer and Amazon may be shifting AI chip suppliers. Additionally, Raymond James recently downgraded Amazon from strong buy to outperform, citing tariff-related uncertainty and investments in rural deliveries. They've lowered their price target significantly, suggesting Wall Street may be underestimating these pressures. Now, let's transition to the charts. We'll start with the daily chart to get a broad overview of Amazon's price movements. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a period of consolidation followed by a relatively sharp decline in late April and early May, with a recent slight recovery. However, it appears it may be on a downward trend again. Notice that before this recent downward trend started, we can see the price was around $210. Since this peak, the price declined to under $170. So, if we take the price now of around $200, we are approximately 7% off from the previous high. This area may serve as resistance in the near future. Let's zoom in on the recent price action on the hourly chart to examine more granular trends. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can see more detailed fluctuations. The hourly chart shows a slight rebound, but it's struggling to break above recent highs. We can see that there is a general, slightly downward sloping trend in the hourly chart. Important price levels to watch include the $205 resistance level, which Amazon has struggled to break recently as it consolidates around that range. On the downside, the $170 area could act as significant support if the price continues to decline. The Raymond James price target of $195 could also act as a short-term support if negative news continue to be released. Based on the news and chart data, a bullish scenario would require Amazon to break above $205 and establish a higher high, which could be reinforced if there is better news about AMD and revenue from AWS. A bearish scenario would play out if tariff concerns escalate and the price breaks below $170, as Raymond James forecasts, with their bearish outlook. In short, monitor these key levels, watch for news regarding AI investments and tariff implications, and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. That's all for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. Thanks for watching.